All 6 robots starting off qualification match 13, quickly dashing off of that mobility line. Blue pausing for the second. We'll see what they want to do in teleop, but red continues their movement, going straight to those coral stations. Not looking like they're getting much coral onto the reef, though it does look like they have one in the trough. One interesting observation in this match is that blue decided to go with 3 shallow cages to red's 3 deep cages. Each robot alliance can choose which cage they want to install prior to the match, and that will determine how many points they're able to achieve in endgame. We see red having already put a piece of algae into the processor. That'll give them 6 points, and then blue turns around and is able to throw it up into their net and gain another 4 points back for themselves. We see red with partial algae removed from their reef and a miscellaneous amount of coral sort of randomly placed on different parts. It doesn't look like they're particularly fond of an individual side of that reef structure. But we'll come over here to the blue side of the field to see what action is happening. 8896, Wolf Tech Robotics dropping a game piece onto the trough as their partners, 3876, Mabton Lugnuts, are potentially looking to pick up a piece of algae. They're really interested in it, and they have their roller going. We'll see if they're able to collect it and come back to them. On the red side, 5683, slotting that scoring element, looking to fill up the level 4 of that reef. They do get 5 points for each of those level 4 coral. The Revolution, rotating across the field, decided they want to switch to a different coral station or potentially get 5295 alternating current out of their way. We hear that ping to head back to the barge to ascend to the surface of this reefscape. All 3 blue robots making it back, colliding with those shallow cages that they decided to install. The Revolution having made it back as well. 4180, the Iron Riders, in the last seconds of this match, getting another piece of coral for 5 points, and we'll have the referees tabulate the scores. Results are in for qualification match 13. Red swimming away with the victory, 107 points to blue 36. Red with the victory, and both alliances taking away an RP point for that mobility